Hello loves, in this video I will be showing you how I make my love spell candles. As I've said before, of course I'm not going to give the ingredients to my oil. If you would like to purchase my oil, you can email me below. If you would like to purchase these candles, you can email me below. I can make them in any size that you need them to be. Also, if you would like to purchase the entire love spell, you could also email me below. And you can also check out the other videos where I let you guys know how to make the soaps, the lotion, and as well how to perform this spell, okay? So to start off, I'm going to show you guys how I make my love candles. I have one right here. And this is how you do it. First, we're going to take our wax. Oh, and I guess I should also tell you the items I'm using are artists. Can you see that? No, y'all can't see that. I'm using Art Minds wax craft kit. Well, this is the end of the wax craft kit, and I'm about to get into the just regular wax. And this is, I believe, soy wax. Yeah, soy wax. And I also have this lavender scent and this Art Minds pink liquid dye. Well, the color is actually, I don't see the color name. So I'm just going to say pink. Oh, fuchsia. Fuchsia. I'm turning it the wrong way. Fuchsia dye. And this is all for the candles only. And I'm using my own special oil. I created this oil about 2 months ago, and it has been brewing in my back room. It has all kinds of herbs, and it is just full of magical intent. It also has little pigments of glitter in it. I just love it. It works really well for me. So I'm also going to add a few drops of that into the candle. Okay, so let's get started. First, I'm just going to add my wax into my mixing bowl here. And this is the only bowl that y'all will see. I have obviously used it before because this is for candles and we're not putting candles on our bodies or anything like that. So I don't want to add that big clump in there. The smaller the pieces are, the easier it's going to be for it to break up. To melt. Okay, so now I'm going to take this and I'm going to put this in my microwave and I'll be right back. Look, I want to show y'all something. This wax melt is in the shape of a heart. Oh, that's so cute. So halfway in, a minute and a half. I'm going to add some more wax because I know this is not enough wax for the candles. The amount of candles I'm doing. Okay. And back in it goes. Alright, so this is just about good where I can work from it. I like to have most of the particles melted because I want the entire spell to go all the way through to every single, like every piece of wax. Okay, so now I'm going to open the lavender and the pink dye. And we're going to add the lavender first. And then one is good enough for the pink dye because it is strong. And then I'm going to stir that together. Now I'm going to put these back on because, and I'm constantly confusing these two because I use the lavender for this so often. Now to add my personal love potion. I honestly tried to not get as many herbs into it, but if they come, it's not that bad. It's not going to hurt anything. If anything, it's actually going to help. So now we're just going to stir this clockwise and pray our intent. Okay, now we take our, you gonna see that? Yeah. I forgot what they're called. Don't judge me. I forgot. But we take these and I literally just sit them at the bottom. And typically they'll hold up by themselves. I just fix them the way I want them to go. Tell them what they're going to do. As soon as I say that, one of them wants to act up. Well, this one kinda, I think I'm going to add some more wax to this particular candle because it is not holding up the way I want it to. It's not filled up the way I want it to be. So this is where we will pause. I'm going to melt a little bit more wax for these two candles. And we're going to let our wax harden a little bit, just enough to do the next step, okay? We are going to take our glitter pigment and put it on top of each of the love spell candles. Okay, and now the candles are complete. So let me show you guys. The candles are complete. Of course, I'm going to go over them at the end of the video. Yes, y'all, I'm so effing happy that I have finally posted a spell. Like, you know I'm getting into the end. It's towards the end of the video. And I'm just like feeling kind of all warm inside, all fuzzy inside. But anyways, the candles are done. Now we are just going to, it looks like the glitter is still moving around in there. So I'm going to put it back in here. This glitter is only used for this anyway. So we're going to put all the excess glitter right back in there. Now, push, squeeze really hard. And if you have the candle casings like mine, there we go. You want to be careful because it has sharp edges. So next one. All right, you guys. That is how I get the candles out. Now let me put everything together and get it looking all pretty full and gorgeous so that you guys can see what we have created. Thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to watch the other videos on how to make the soap and the lotion as well. I also have a video that will be coming up soon, if it is not up already, about how to actually do this spell, how to actually go through with the spell, the next steps. So please like and subscribe. Check out the other videos. Thank you for watching so much. Peace, love, and light. Goodbye.